Hey guys, this is the Culture Kid here. This video is a pretty short and simple video. So pretty much, for those of you who bought this unit and are experiencing like a lag in your music playing, and or if you go on YouTube, it's kind of like the music kind of like play for a few seconds and stop, play for a few seconds and stop. Um, this pretty much sounds like a lazy load. So the only way to fix this lazy load issue, so you'd go to the home screen here. Once you get there, you would find your settings. All right, so once you get in the settings, so make sure that the device that is lagging is actually turned off. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and close the Google Play Music, and you're gonna scroll down to your storage sections. And once you get there, and you're gonna looking for your cache data, which is this one here, because mine was doing the same thing not too long ago, so I had to go in there and clear it out. So I was about like close to like a 600 megabytes. So I went in here and cleared the data cached. After that, then I went to my app sections and then find my Google Play Music here. I'm sorry, that's not it. I find Google Play Music and scroll down, and then I also did clear the data in there as well, and then as well as the cache in there, so that way it just kind of like clear the system. And once you do that, if it doesn't work, what you do again, you just repeat the same process, but only this time you just go here and you press on that, and then you uninstall Google Play Music, and then you go back in and do the same process. So here's the other thing that you might have some issue with. So for the Maserati, sometimes you are able, if you have your cell phone Bluetooth connected, it would show here, this is your phone is paired with the vehicle, and down here I have my Android interface paired with the audio source of the actual MTC screen. So if your Android Bluetooth is connected, normally once your Bluetooth is connected and then you have your hotspots on your phone, it automatically treats it like you trying to send data with via Bluetooth. But sometimes it's kind of like have this interference, since this system here, one is connected to your phone and the other one is connected to the Android interface. It's kind of like doing some interference, so that's why sometimes you will notice some lag. So what I went and did, since I'm not using my phone at the moment, I didn't disconnect it here. I just went on my phone settings and then turn off my Bluetooth, and then go back here, just make sure I was still connected via the audio source here, which is my Android interface, and then just go back and try it again for one more time to make sure that the system was working. I went to my playlist and hit the play button here, and then there you have it. And then everything start working fine without any lag and with nothing. I didn't have any problems. Yeah, so this is pretty much how you clear like a lazy load for your data on your Android interface. And it's the same thing if it was your web browser that's doing that, being that slow, you do the same thing as well. And you do the same thing for YouTube as well to resolve this lazy load issue. So thank you very much guys for watching, and stay tuned. So I should have some installation video for you guys soon for the Tesla touchscreen. Then we'll see you soon, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.